What's up everybody, Josh here with 508 Magnets, back in Waltham once again, third time, and we're gonna hit the bridge again, but we're on the other side that I did not do from a couple of weeks ago. We had real good luck down at the docks last week. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. A couple weeks before then, I was on the other side. I'll link them both down at the end of the video and probably up here in the cards, so watch for that. It's another hot, sunny day. So we're gonna see how long we can go before it gets too hot. So let's get to throwing. Oop, gotta get around the bridge. There we go. So here's the trolley part. I think previously we had the basket. Now we've got the trolley. Make sure no one's coming. All right, not bad for pretty much a first throw. Get some of this little stuff off. We'll keep going. We got a full magnet. Looks like we might have the wheel to the shopping cart. Definitely. Just pulled the wheel out of the little housing. A couple of little pieces. All right, not a bad start. I like when I get things right off the bat here. Makes for a quick day. I don't have to sit in the sun too long. Got something pretty heavy on here. Looks like to be some bike parts. Got handlebars. What is this? It's got like copper wrapping on it. But we got handlebars to a touring bike. See all that copper shimmery stuff there? Not sure what that is. Not seeing anything else in there. All right, I was hitting a bunch of things down there. Let's see what we got. First off, we got a little section of pipe. We got one of these, I think it's a vape. I'm not really sure, and just a ton of this flat steel and little pieces, but I was definitely hitting something bigger down there. There's a couple of springs or something in there. Oh, that's pieces of a bike chain. So there's a bike or two down there. We already got the handlebars. Let's see if we can't get the rest, although looking at this stuff, it's just gonna be destroyed if I do. It's probably gonna come up in pieces. That's all right. All right, well, I told you there was a bike, and we've got a bike. Oh no, my rope is stuck. There it goes. I gotta go across a real bumpy section of wall here. Let's see if we get it out. Oh, of course. Right at the last second. Whew. All right, well, there is a bike. We got some pieces from it. Gonna keep working on it. All right, I got the bike again, hopefully in a better spot. This rocky wall here is making it difficult, and it is very full of water and mud. A little bit more. That's heavy. That is heavy. gonna let it sit here for a second. Let it drain out. Oh, that was a workout. That was a very heavy bike right now. We'll get it over the edge in a minute, as soon as I catch my breath. Whew, what a gorgeous day. All right, this thing's still dripping. We're gonna pull it over. Oh, I got a big section of chain. Or is that the bike lock? I think that's the bike lock. A lot of luck it did for this bike. There we go. Yep, that's the bike lock. Oh well. All right, we got a little piece. It looks like a shopping cart piece. I've never found so many shopping carts in one area. There's just pieces and pieces of them everywhere. I had a lot of people stop and talk to me, see what I'm doing. They seem nice. Yes, sir.
Good luck.
Thanks. All right, we got something. It might be another bike. I'm not really sure. Could be multiple things. All right, well, it's a shopping cart that is like imploded itself around the magnet. So we got one piece, another piece here with the wheel, another piece, filling up the bucket on one throw here. There we go. Must have latched onto it and it just destroyed the entire thing. Self-imploded around the Magnetar. All right, we got another full magnet. My trip might be over before I realize it, because my bucket's getting real full real quick. All right, let's see what we got. I'm not exactly sure. Doesn't seem like a shopping cart piece. Seems a little too long for that. I could be wrong, but I don't know. Not sure what that is. All right, this is definitely a shopping cart graveyard here. There's more pieces of one there. Not sure what that is. Breaking apart. Ow. Stabby bits. Lots and lots of pieces. Hopefully we can get these shopping cart stuff out of the way and find some more interesting things, because shopping carts are cool, but I want something else. I need a little variety. All right, I asked for something different and I got something different. Maybe. Oh, it's a payphone. It's an old school payphone. Oh. Yup. That's cool. Let's see if this is the box where the coins go. It is. Is it still there? If this thing is full of quarters, that would be freaking awesome. All right, so we got a phone. Oh no, there it is. There's the coin slot. Looks like it was on top. Let's see. Not feeling anything. That feels like coins. Just mud. But I'll definitely bring this back, spray it out with the hose or something, and see what's going on. Because if there's quarters in there, I would like them, please. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna leave this here to dry. That's pretty awesome. Hang it up. All right, we got some big chunks of rebar here. Oh, it's caught. There we go. And some shiny stuff. I don't know what that is. Wrapped around it. All right. We have moved away from the shopping cart graveyard. And the Magnetar has answered my call for more interesting stuff. Alright, looks like we got more bike parts. We got the handlebars to another bike. Let's get that nasty water out of there. And maybe a shopping cart piece. Alright. There we go. Handlebars to a bike to go with my full bike that I got over there drying out. Yep, some more shopping cart pieces, so maybe we're not away from the shopping carts just yet. All right, what do we got? We got a spoon. A little piece of spoon and a little piece of wire. Nice fancy spoon. All right, we got something on there. Don't know. Whatever that is. Maybe a chain guard for a bike. All right, I think I'm just about done here. It is getting way too hot to keep doing this. We got another section of pipe or something like that. Another spike from a shopping cart. Some more little pieces. All right, yeah, I think I'm calling it done. This was a good day. Clean off some of this stuff here. We got tons and tons of pipe. We got the phone, pay phone, big chunk of rebar down there. We got a not a golf cart, shopping cart, and a mountain bike. Just tons and tons of pieces today. Handlebars to another bike. We got a spoon. This was a really awesome day. And just so everybody knows, because there are a lot of haters in the comments sometimes, that you don't bring that stuff home. I am bringing it to my car right now. All of it. Don't leave nothing behind. All right, there it all is. Got the bike, shopping carts, payphone. It's all in there. I'm out of breath carrying that stuff all the way to my car. And it's hot. Do me a favor, if you like this video, go ahead, drop me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.